Okay, welcome back, y'all. Today we are going to be focusing on cell organelles. So cell organelles are structures that are found within a cell. We are going to be drawing today, so make sure that you have either your colored pencils or markers. I'm going to use markers today so it can be seen better on the camera. So first, go to your next clean page in your notebook. You are going to label one of the sides plant cell. And then on the other side, the next page, label it animal cell. So first we're going to focus on drawing our first organelle. This organelle is called the cell wall. The cell wall is only found in plant cells. So we are only going to draw this feature in the plant cell page. So plant cells are usually shaped rectangular-like. So my green line that I drew is going to represent my plant cell. And I'm going to label it cell wall. Like I said, there is no cell wall in an animal cell, so I do not have to draw it in my animal cell page. Now that we have a plant cell, we are going to take this paper, this chart, it's in Canvas, on the structures and functions of organisms, organelles, excuse me, and you can either print this if you have a printer at home, or if you choose to do so, then print it out. If you don't, or you don't want to print it, you can draw this in on your next page. So after animal cell, we're going to move on, and you would either glue this in or copy the chart. So, cell wall. With the cell wall, it is right here in that second row. It's only found in plant cells. We're going to describe what it looks like. It's a thicker line around the outside of a plant cell. Okay, and then what is its function? It provides structure and support. Provides structure and support. So just like how a brick wall has structure, so does the cell wall. Okay, so we have finished our first organelle, cell wall. Now, let's go flip back to our other pages, and we're going to move on to our next organelle. The next organelle that we are going to do is the cell membrane. Well, the cell membrane is actually found in both plant cells and animal cells. So the cell membrane in a plant cell is actually just found right on the inside of the cell wall. I probably should have made my cell wall a little thicker, so I'm going to go back over just to emphasize that thick line versus my cell membrane being a lot thinner. Okay, well, so let's label the red cell membrane. And, well, in an animal cell, there is a cell membrane this time. Animal cells do not have a box-like shape. Animal cells are more circular or blob-like. So I'm going to make my animal cell kind of like a big blob. And my cell membrane is that outline. Now that I have drawn my two cell membranes, I'm going to go back to the chart and I am going to write about where it's found, what's its function, and what it looks like. So in the cell membrane, it's found in animal cells and plant cells. What does it look like? A thin line around animal cell and second line in plant cell. What is its function? It allows things to come in and out of the cell. Okay, so those things could be like water. It can be the nutrients that we've eaten in the food we consumed earlier in the day. But the cell membrane is what allows the things to come in. Now,